Emergent Anatomy, the body as a dynamic, self-organizing system. For centuries, human anatomy has been studied through reductionism, breaking the body into separate organs and systems like the nervous system, cardiovascular system, and musculoskeletal system. While this has been useful for medical advancements, it fails to capture the true nature of the human body as an interconnected, adaptive, and emergent system. Emergent anatomy shifts the focus from static structures to dynamic networks that self-organize, adapt, and respond to the environment. Instead of seeing the body as a biological machine, we must understand it as an evolving, self-regulating entity where function emerges from interaction, not isolated parts. 1. Beyond the organ system model, a new way to see the body. The illusion of separation, how systems interact. Traditional anatomy treats organs and systems as if they function independently, but every process in the body is emergent, meaning the brain doesn't just control the body, the gut, immune system, and even bacteria influence brain function, gut-brain axis. The heart doesn't just pump blood, it interacts with the nervous system, emotions, and electrical signals beyond mechanical function. The immune system isn't just a defense system, it is an adaptive learning network influenced by neurons, hormones, and microbiota. The body is not a machine with separate interchangeable parts. It is a living ecosystem where function emerges from deep interconnection. Bioelectric fields, the body's invisible blueprint. One of the biggest paradigm shifts in emergent anatomy is recognizing that bioelectricity guides development, healing, and even consciousness. Regeneration and healing. Certain animals, like axolotls, regenerate limbs because their cells communicate through bioelectric signals, a process that could revolutionize human medicine. Cancer as an emergent breakdown. Some scientists believe that cancer emerges not just from genetic mutations, but from disruptions in bioelectric communication, leading to uncontrolled growth. The brain is not a computer. Unlike artificial intelligence, which is programmed, human thought emerges from the bioelectrical interplay of neurons, constantly adapting and reconfiguring. Understanding bioelectric anatomy could lead to radical new treatments for wound healing, brain injuries, and even organ regeneration. 2. The body as an emergent network. Neural networks and consciousness, more than just the brain. Consciousness and intelligence are not isolated in the brain, but emerge from the entire nervous system working in concert with the body. The heart contains 40,000 neurons, influencing emotions and decision-making. The gut has 500 million neurons, often called the second brain, affecting mood, digestion, and immunity, muscle memory, and intelligence. Movements and reflexes are not just controlled by the brain, they are encoded in distributed networks throughout the body. Rather than a top-down command system, the nervous system is a decentralized network where intelligence emerges from dynamic interactions rather than strict hierarchy. The immune system as an adaptive emergent intelligence. The immune system is not just a defense mechanism, it is a learning, adapting intelligence that evolves based on exposure, microbiome interactions, and environmental feedback. Immunity emerges over time. The immune system does not have pre-programmed knowledge. It learns by exposure, constantly updating itself. The microbiome's role in immunity. Our gut bacteria train the immune system, influencing inflammation, allergies, and even mental health. Autoimmune disorders as emergent failures, diseases like lupus and multiple sclerosis may be caused by maladaptive emergent responses where the immune system fails to distinguish self from non-self due to incorrect pattern recognition. If we approach immune function as an emergent property, treatments would focus on reprogramming the system dynamically rather than suppressing symptoms. 3. The future of medicine. Treating the body as an emergent system. Regenerative medicine, unlocking the body's self-repair. Instead of relying solely on external interventions like surgery or drugs, the future of medicine may focus on activating the body's own emergent healing abilities. Bioelectric stimulation. Using bioelectric signals to regrow lost tissue, repair nerves, and even reverse aging. AI-driven body monitoring. AI can track emergent health patterns, predicting diseases before they manifest. Reprogramming cells. Scientists are exploring ways to reprogram adult cells into stem cells to regenerate organs from within rather than requiring transplants. If we understand health as an emergent process, medicine will shift from reactive treatments to proactive self-regulation. Longevity and aging, a breakdown of emergent processes. Aging is often seen as a gradual decline, but from an emergent perspective, it is a failure of self-organization at multiple levels. Cellular miscommunication. Aging occurs as cells lose their ability to communicate and adapt, leading to dysfunction. Declining bioelectric signals. The body's bioelectric fields weaken with age, affecting healing, regeneration, and metabolism. Microbiome and aging. As we age, our gut microbiome changes, reducing its ability to regulate inflammation and immune function. By targeting emergent failures rather than just symptoms, we could reverse aging processes, restoring lost functionality. Conclusion. A new vision for anatomy and medicine. Emergent anatomy challenges us to see the human body not as a machine, but as a living adaptive system where health is an ongoing self-regulating process. Key takeaways. Organs do not function independently. Health emerges from interconnected networks. Bioelectricity is the hidden force guiding growth, healing, and even consciousness. The immune system and nervous system are learning intelligences, constantly adapting to experience. Regenerative medicine and longevity research must embrace emergent principles rather than treating the body as a static structure. Next steps. Expanding the Emergent series. This is part 2 of the Emergent Science trilogy. Next, we will explore 1. Emergent biology, how life and evolution arise from self-organizing networks. Completed. 2. Emergent anatomy, how the body functions as a dynamic, self-regulating system. Current. 3. Emergent health and medicine, the future of predictive, regenerative, and holistic healthcare. Read more on my website, wendellsdiary.com. Subscribe for more insights on emergent science and the future of human potential.